East Turkestan. East Turkestan, I just told you about the word East Turkestan. Yeah, the was independent.
Can I pray now? Can I pray? I say a prayer with you now.
Now the Chinese government has committed genocide against the people of East Turkestan.
Maybe you shouldn't take his picture. You'll get him in trouble. Don't take his picture.
In the concentration camp. Look at these people. Come at Uyghurs. Come here, come.
Hakkımızda hazır şükrandır oldu.
Professor, journalist, artist, businessman, artist, poets, writer, all people sent to concentration camps. They are those people in the concentration camp, psychological and physical abuse. And the children and the spread from their parents sent on the orphanages. And they are indifferent as their family and culture, religion, they are taught. And look at this photo. This is concentration camp now in East Turkestan. This is concentration camp World War II. Yeah, United Nations. Look at this. 3 million in this concentration camp. This is the article of the Washington Post. China and the democracy makes a comeback in China.
Yağmurluk günüde
Now so dangerous. This is the main of parents.
Yağmur demek bizden vakalarımızı anlamadı. Hakkında şükrandır oldu tepsiyle. Allah razı olsun.
This is Uyghurs in today. Look all of forced to marry and Chinese. If you don't marry, they'll family sent to concentration camp. Really. Look, more than 1 million Uyghur people sent on the Chinese Chinese president jail. That is now the people of the Uyghur. This is a famous
if you can talk with people around you about this problem. You know there's a problem because you saw it in some news that there is a big military presence in China in this region.
Andy has a good English.
This short video I put it in the printer.
Up to you, Andy.
Okay?
Sorry, I can't know. This video is enough, I think.
It is enough short video.
About what exactly? For me? If you have a website and Facebook, you can put some comments there.
Okay, then they take the photo.
Yeah, you can put some comments. What is your website? You have a website and Facebook page?
Yeah, I have Facebook page.
Just give it to us.
Okay. World of the Travel.
After that, we can comment.
Do a video.